and it wasn't listed to public, so no one really showed up for my live. So anyhow, I'm here in this town that I'm in. I'm in here checking out a museum. They said I could record, so I'm recording, but instead of doing all the editing, I figured a live stream would work better. So as you can see, I am layered up. I have 3 layers on a heated coat, so it's definitely at least in the 20s still. It was 13 this morning whenever I woke up. And it took me 3 hours to get my rig started to get up to the mechanic spot because I had to wait until Monday to get work done on it. So hopefully they get it fixed. I kind of concur with their decision that it's the exhaust back pressure valve on it. It's 7.3 and it's kicking at about 45. It doesn't really run great at the beginning, and it has a whistling noise, which they said it was exhaust back pressure, but they couldn't work on it till this week. I tried everything I could to get here early in the morning, but I could not. So anyhow, I'm going to take you on the tour that we're on. We are on building 2. I guess we'll have to wait for building 1 of 15 here at the Elk City Museum. It costs $5 to come and see it. I highly recommend coming and checking it out. They're very rarely open, but here we go. Let's see if we can get some more people in here. Copy link. Let's see. All right. There we go. All right, now we're back up and going. Anyhow, we are in the blacksmith shop. I cannot talk. And we are looking at blacksmith hammers, actually. We are in building 2 of 15 here in Elk City. And they said I could record, so I'm recording because I have nothing better to do. I'm waiting for my ambulance to get repaired, or RV, whichever you want to call it. Doesn't matter. Anyhow. I wonder if that's to keep it from breaking the wood hammer. Blacksmith thing. And then they have spring hammers back in the back and a little bit up here. This is not as interesting as the last one was. Apparently I was not streaming it live because it was listed unlisted, so you'll have to wait to see that one. But I figured I would bring you all along with me while I check out museums, because I really hate doing these things by myself. Well, I hate it. I just get more joy about having other people with me whenever I go check out the museums and see the sites. Don't know if my comments are working. I'm sure someone will drop one up there and I will see it here in a bit. Anyhow, look at that. Look at all those. Look at all those brushes on that generator. Oh gosh, my back. I woke up at 7:30 to get the ambulance, RV ambulance started. I feel a little hypocritical for everything going on politically, but it used to be an ambulance, now it's RV. But more or less I do that just so people don't really know what I'm talking about unless they've seen the RV to ambulance conversion, so that's why. I don't know if this went through on Facebook or not. Where's my messages?